ka ấy ka lớn tí, ka ba biang ba, bangin nang kloi, ban keren pareng. Lada pihak ceng mentoi nakane ka video wanam kelat ban share lem shiki perlak lana hiying hasem jengpi. Wanam kelat ro ban like, share and subscribe ya kane ka channel nang ba pin yo ceng toi shibot. What is the best way to learn English? Kasi ka ấy ka lên tí, ka ba biang ba, bangin nang ya kaktin pareng. Let me ask you a simple question. Kasi tongan kali ya pi kajing kali kawajam ba. What will your answer if someone asks you how you can improve your spoken English in the shortest time? Kasi ka ấy ka chú ba trong phi là đã đón bà kali ya phi cũng no pin pen phá ya ka phú công kran phala trong phi ha ka por ka balang kat. Will you advise them to read English newspaper? Kasi pin ai jeng mot ya kijing pule kot kubor pareng. Will you advise them to listen an English song or speech? Kasi pin ai jeng mot yaki pensngap ya kesot pareng lane ya kijing keren. Will you advise them to watch English movie? Kasi pin ai jeng mot yaki ban big film pareng. I don't think so. You know very well by reading newspaper or by listening a song or watching movie may help him understanding level but once help him in speaking English. Kasi ngam tharai ban long kumta phi tip khambha da kaba ule kot kubor lane snam jingruai lane ban pet lem kala ban yarap lane tin bha tang ya kajing sneu thu henre kam yarap ya karu kom keren pareng. The only things that will help him speaking English is communication. Kasi tang kawai bala ban yarap yo ban keren pareng kadlong kajing ya keren. The more he will communicate in English, the sooner he will learn. Kasi kata udang ya keren ya kaktin pareng ulang ubakloy benang lane tip. Practice every day. Kasi persyang malakasni. Try to say everything in English. Kasi persyang banong gikiay baro hakaktin parang. Talk to yourself. Kasi keren yalade. Do not be afraid of making mistake. Kasi wat teng ban pen mi ya gijing bakla. Practice speaking English whatever you get a chance. Kasi bersang ban keren pareng haba piyo yekalat. Don't worry about making a mistake because you will make mistake as a learner. Kasi wat kuslai shapang kecing bakla namat pin bakla kum unong bersang. We will try some things new. Kasi ngin bersang ya kaai kabatamai. Do what makes you happy. Kasi le ya kaai kaba ban kaben ya pi. Love what you do. Kasi i ya kaai kaba pi le.